Shopify Lovable AI tutorial. So are you tired of being boxed in by rigid Shopify themes? In April of this year, we've moved past the era of liquid limitations. Today, we're using Lovable AI to vibe code a custom storefront that feels like a premium React app but runs entirely on the Shopify commerce engine. Whether you're starting from scratch or embedding a custom component into the existing store, this is the fastest way to build a high conversion site. So let's link your design to your products. Alright, and now let's first establish the handshake, so the connection. So firstly, we have a very simple account rule, guys. Ensure that your Lovable account and Shopify store owner email are identical. So this will prevent the common verification loops. And then in order to start, open up your Lovable account. Don't forget to log in. Then you go to the Connectors tab on the left. And in here, as you can see, we have Shopify. It's already enabled. If it's not, just click on it. And also don't forget under permissions, enable Shopify. Make sure to set this to always allow and all permissions to always allow. This is for the convenience. And of course, guys, don't forget that you'll be prompted to install the Lovable app from the Shopify App Store. So if you don't have it yet, let us do it. Go to Settings, then you go to Apps, open Shopify Store, and in the search, just type in Lovable. And once that's active, Lovable will instantly read your products, collections, and pricing via the storefront API. And you will now be building with live data, not placeholders. So also we can just start by inputting this kind of prompt, right? And then once we are starting to build, we will be prompted to connect our account and our address of our website, and then Lovable will be able to read our Shopify. All right, as you can see, now we have questions. Do not skip these. So you can either start by creating a new store, of course, on Shopify, or just connect existing. That's what I will choose. And now you can see, how would you like to set up Shopify? Connect existing, submit. And now let's see what happens next. Okay, so now we just connect, allow all of these, allow. And now as you can see, you just need to connect it. So you need to input here your Shopify admin link. So you just go back and then choose this, copy, and then just insert it and then connect store. Okay. And now as you can see, it's asking us to install the app. Okay, automatically, pretty simple, press on install. All right, there you go. Now we're back. And this is where the magic begins. Okay, so I've already shown you the sample prompts. As you can see, I'm just building a high-end skincare storefront. So you can just, pretty much input any prompt, but also make sure to let Lovable know that you are connecting Shopify to it. And now, as you can see, it's generating your store and your new, as you can see, storefront or whatever you're creating. So it's generating images, creating the style, fonts, connecting API, and UI. So just give this a second. Also, guys, if you wish to, for example, keep your current theme, but add specific Lovable components, you need to export your Lovable code to GitHub. Then use the Claude Code terminal to convert the React component into a Shopify custom liquid block, and then you will be good to go. So after this, just wait, and then you can perform any other modifications. And pretty much, once again, rundown for you guys of the steps. You need to link your account for API level production syncing by just using this prompt. After that, utilize visual edits to tweak the UI without banning credits. So you can tweak anything in here. Also be mindful of your credits. You can see I have 440 remaining. And we chose between a full headless store and hybrid custom liquid. And don't build a theme, build an experience. Hopefully this sorted you out, guys, and helped you create something in Shopify with your Lovable account. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if this helped.